called integratedfamilylaw.com.au. Why we are doing it? Cause why not? So as far as we can see right now, it's a law firm website which basically deals with the family laws and everything. And I have visited this website I guess 2 or 3 times in last 1 year, and today I thought why not just go through the website and find out is there any kind of things which are lacking in the website, or is there anything in terms of the issues which we can find, or we can just help them out using the initial audit about what are the things which can be improved in order to generate more traffic for them and eventually maybe more conversion. But yeah, let's start with the checking the SEO issues for the website. And okay, first thing first, let's go through the design part. I don't think design wise there is any issues. Homepage looks quite okay. The first fold talking about what they do, the location is mentioned, CTAs are there, both the CTAs, one going on the telephone number, second going on the contact us page, mention the address, I believe, the timing and the Google reviews, then some about us, about the company founder details, some awards mentioned, then a complete big form, then something about the services also mentioned, what they are doing, divorce, separation. Yes, they are taking them to the different pages. Then the testimonials, which is getting indexed by Trust Index, getting fetched from Google. Yes, only Google, I guess, not from Meta. Yes, only from Google. Then about us detail, then some FAQs, and then the footer. So design is quite clean, nothing much here. Let's check about the service page as well. Family law, divorce. I mean, the URL can be improved, but okay. Separation and divorce. Sunshine Coast Divorce Lawyers. We are able to help you formulate a simple plan to work through your separation and divorce issues. I mean, if it's a blog page, it's very good. But if it's a service page, I don't think you need to mention what is separation and what is divorce here. If you want to trying to rank in the AI or something like that, maybe instead of a paragraph you can go for a short answers format or a table kind of structure where it's more good. Okay, let's start one by one, going to the home page first. Let's see about the metas. Family law, sunshine cost, integrated family law. Repeating same thing twice. Brand name mention is good, but family law, sunshine cost. I mean, you are in a lawyer firm, so maybe a law firm will be better. Cause see, I always suggest two things. One, when it's come to the home page or service page, always go for the commercial or transactional word. And when it comes to the blog page, you can diverse the words to be more generic, more knowledgeable. So here in this case, if you can see, instead of law, like family law is maybe someone want to know about it. Okay, family law wants someone who is looking to hire a lawyer won't be searching family law. He'll be searching hire a family lawyer or find a family lawyer or something like that. So, and considering that this kind of website, service based lawyer website, will have the maximum traffic on the home page. So home page needs to be as much as detailed as possible, as much as transactional as possible, and it should be to the point where we are just trying to convert them. So and the one thing which I always even experience in my past projects and all, the lawyer and something similar, lawyer, doctors, if we are talking more about the case studies, it's more helpful than the just explaining the services. Like I have seen for one of my account that when we are writing about family lawyer, instead of family lawyer, we are getting more traffic on one of the blog page, and the blog page talk about how after a separation a kid can stay with his father or his mother, and how the scenario works, or what it takes to stay overnight with in this case when the divorce is going on or separation is going on. So talk about more about the problem statement. Second, a case study, like how you have done or solved a problem, or what's your take on generic stuff around the similar services you should provide. So yeah, title can be improved. Meta description, looking for an experienced family lawyer in, that's the thing which I was talking about. To the point, completely CTA. Call us today. Maybe we can mention the number as well here. 5 on 5 star Google reviews. Nothing like, I don't think in the description it matters here. Instead, we can just implement the schema, rating schema, and it will work better. Canonical tag is there. Okay, they have used the site kit and everything. Okay, let's go for the H1. 2 H1 tag, very bad. I mean, you don't need for Google. Okay, it might be looking very good for user, but for Google, putting 2 tag titled H1 tag, it's like your page is talking about 2 things. Now, one is talking about family lawyers, second is talking about a location. You can easily ask a developer to put something, and both the, because it's a single sentence, both things can come in a single H1 tag. H2 is not optimized, H3 is blank, H4 is again just 2 generic stuff, divorce and separation, child study and parenting agreement. I don't think H4 is optimized. That's only optimized header in the complete home page is the H5, where we have put the FAQs. Links, it's fine. All tags, yeah, there is no missing all tags, and we have optimized as well for the brand name, for the services. I don't think there is a much we can do in the, I mean, much we can do, but it will be more of a over optimization, considering that where the page length is quite smaller and we can increase more content. But yeah, 4-star, it's fine. Let's see how much schema, breadcrumb schema they are using, FAQ schema, great work on that. Rating schema they can also implement, since considering they have the trust index and reviews and everything set up. Organization schema they can do, law form schema they can do for the home page. Page content 1432. I to be very much, I feel the content length can be improved a little bit. The form is too big. We need multiple CTAs, not just one. So maybe we can break the form, one here or so. But not a make or break kind of thing. But yes, content we can improve a little bit more. Now let's go to the service page. As I mentioned before as well, the service page, it's giving more of a blog vibe instead of a conversion kind of a commercial or transactional keyword implemented page. So that's one thing which is lacking here. Overall rest, it looks good. Let's go about the metas. Family law dash divorce integrated brand name, it's fine, but what else you are talking about? I don't think it's a proper on page title, meta title. I don't really feel that it's a very good or converting. Same goes for, I mean, explaining a divorce definition in the meta description won't work. I really don't think it's a good. H1 tag, not very sure. H2 tag still optimized, but for a blog page. H3, H4 blank, and H5 again FAQs, which is good. But all these FAQs can be a separate blogs. If not, I'm sure it can be the. Now, I mean, okay, few things in the website I am still finding that these are the how do I say it? These are the things to improve. One, the meta title description maybe need improvement, and every website has three for sure, 3 basic things. First of all, the hero keyword should go on the home page or the service pages. Okay. Second thing, commercial and transactional only on the service pages. or a process page, or I mean you understand the gist of it, that it should be a separate thing. And then comes the knowledge keywords or just a generic keywords or the broader keyword. It should go to the blog pages, not the service pages. Are they using any kind of schema on the service page? Breadcrumb schema, that's it. They are not even using the FAQ. I mean, they are lacking very much here. All tech wise, yeah, all tech wise they are quite good. That's nothing. I feel they can improve. Let's see how the blogs are performing. First steps after separation: protect yourself from the child. That's very great work on the generating a cold email IDs and password, asking them to have a guide, and to, I'm sure, to have a guide they will be demanding email IDs and password. Correct. That's it. That's a very great work on it. Blog too lengthy, I must say, because there are no table of content at the top. Design wise, I still feel it can be improved. Title, description, decent. I don't think keyword matters. Headers, okay, they have put everything in the H1. Considering the situation, I feel these will be the ChatGPT content. Let's see what is the status of that. They have mentioned dates here. No dates. I mean, see, in lawyer you can use the benefit of EAT as well. So you can mention the authority, source. I mean, who are the writers about it? Are they, like, in the about section, I'm sure they have mentioned their principal lawyers and everything. Yes, they have mentioned. So you can use the same name that they are writing about it. They are writing this content, so that will help. Okay, 64% content is from AI. I mean, writing content from AI is not that big of a concern, but you need to be, at least what you can improve, you should improve. Okay, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 locations. These should be the landing page. This is well optimized, I'm sure. I must say this is what we saw, proper CTA and heading tag, right? Description is also good, but design wise I'm not sure why this is not uniform. I'm sure I guess they are running it on the Google Ads or something. H1 is optimized, H2 is optimized, H3 no, H4 no, H5 again the FAQs. Good work. Images optimized. Schema, location schema they can use here. FAQ they have used. Are they also using this as a ChatGPT content? Let's see. Little bit more optimization it's needed here. Either they are depending on something else for generating the cold email for inbound leads, otherwise they must have optimized the website a little bit better. I mean, that's clearly the lack of seeing the things. I mean, 2023, it's been already 26. The design wise there is a lacking. Location keywords are there but needs more improvement. Maps, photos and everything, and awards can be mentioned better way. Who gets a dog, they can improve the more such similar. Who get the child, who get the XYZ and so on. Now let's little bit see about the traffic and everything. So if we see the, sorry, in SEMrush, if we see, oh, they are generating around 60 user per month. In last 2 years, if we see the maximum, they have gone to 100 users. Maximum traffic coming from Australia, which is fair as well. 50 to 60 user, and out of 50 user is from Australia. Let's see how much traffic for Australia and for which pages they are getting it. They are also getting good mention on ChatGPT, even though the content and everything is lacking. If they can improve, I'm just thinking out loud here. If they can build little bit authority, if they can improve the content quality a little bit in terms of the structure only, not saying anything about the ChatGPT content or anything else. If they can just improve the overall work which they are doing in a proper structure, maybe just imagine from that broader point of view that already 275 keywords are getting, we are ranking on, for this website, they are ranking on already 275 keywords. If each keyword started getting 10% of conversion of the volume they are getting, I'm sure the traffic can be boosted a little bit way more than what they are actually doing. I mean, the traffic share, you can see only 2% is traffic of the traffic share overall. So the scope of growth is too much here, considering this is a very old web page, at least 3 years from what we are seeing here. So only 79 domain is too less. Okay, now see the top keywords. Let's see on the Ubersuggest as well. Here we can see 150 something user on a monthly basis. Keyword ranking for maximum for the home page, then the family law, divorce, then what is post agreement, I guess PNA in Queensland, then the simple separation isn't it. So you see maximum traffic is coming on the home page, which we have left untouched so far. For brand integrated law, integrated family law, so for the brand name we are getting more traffic. We are ranking on the top positions, and almost half of the traffic is coming on those two keywords only. This is the keyword family lawyer sunshine cost. If we able to get in the first page on top 3 result from 2 user, we can easily go to at least assume 10% conversion. Just assuming 10% conversion, we can get 190 user from a single keyword if it's possible, or maybe more, improving the blog content which we are ranking on the 13th as of now. If we started getting on the first page, the visit can be improved from 7 to maybe a little bit more. Let's see what, considering this is the third highest traffic generating page, what kind of improvement we have done here. Design, I feel there is no CTA except this cold CTA. I mean, we can at least put a form, just a complete blank space. The live chat option is missing. There are multiple like dozens of free tools which are offering live chat, or maybe a WhatsApp business option to generate some cold leads and implement a simple lead capture tool there, or a calendary link to book an appointment. How easy that is. Title description still okay, headers not okay. H2, H1, why? Multiple H2s still optimized, H4 not optimized. Schema tag, article tags we have put, then web page tag we have put, organization tag we have put, person we have put, but we are not mentioning it here anywhere, and that's it. No other schema is there, I guess. Yeah, that's all schema. I mean, are we putting any links there? see. No, there is no internal linking for the blog. Then what's the use of it? And they are giving do follow links to which website again? Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. It's fine. Call button is also fine. This one, FCFCOA. We are here to help. What is this? Okay, they are allowing, but why they are giving a do follow? I mean, they can easily make it no follow backlink. Yeah, same goes for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You already have very low authority and you don't need to distribute. Let's see what else we see here. Backlink count 260, reference domain 56. Let's see about the DA ones. The players.fm. Okay, some audio, I guess. True local, great link. One no follow, two no follows. Okay, I guess these are more of a general natural links, not something a webmaster or SEO guy will do. So good work there, but at the same time you need to improve these numbers, because if you see, maximum backlinks are coming on the brand name and some of them are coming on the, I guess, the owner's name or the lawyer's name and with the brand name. Highest DA 1 on 81 or 2 on 50, 7 on 50 to 60, and out of all 21 and less than 20 DA for 34, 35. So yeah, domain needs to be improved, reference domain need to be improved, authority need to be built overall. Okay, final thoughts. 60% traffic coming on the branded keyword. Post marriage agreement, second highest traffic generating keyword. The least, I mean, you see one thing very common here, the keyword difficulty. If you see for the top keywords where we are not even on the top 3 positions right now, if you can improve the keyword content, the strategy a little bit in terms of the technical fixes, in terms of the content fixes, we can easily generate more traffic. Considering this, see, only 5 visitor out of 260 search volume, keyword difficulty is 4, and we are written a 50% ChatGPT content. Still we are ranking. That tell more about what kind of competition we are dealing with. A very, very small help from content and the technical push, and maybe regular ongoing backlink work, we can easily improve our content's overall traffic. So what, okay, this is just a basic initial audit for it. We can have a more detailed discussion if needed. What we are seeing right now, our meta title description, I mean overall on-page score need to be fixed. Keyword needs to be defined for commercial, transactionals, money keywords, and the generic content keyword, blog content keyword. Third, more guide need to be placed, more resource needs to be built. Third, even if you are putting the ChatGPT content, at least have a proper author who are approving it. At least use more schema tags, use more schema, implement more schema part. Internal linking missing throughout the website. In any blog, I haven't seen one. Why we are giving do follow backlink to external links, which I don't understand. We can easily put no follow. More referral domain need to be built. More like the spammy backlink we need to be removing as soon as possible. Design a little bit fixes can be done here and there, but that's not a make or break. CTAs are missing. Live chat kind of thing can be added in order to generate more conversion, but that's after second part. First part is to grab all the low hanging fruits, generate more content around them, fix the technical part of it, and just get them rank on top 10, top 3 eventually, and generate more traffic. Once the traffic is coming to the website, we can talk more about how to generate the conversion out of it. But the first step, uh, traffic. Then the second step, more of a qualified traffic. Third step, convert the qualified traffic using the right CTAs into the web page. Then fourth traffic, more and more content build, and then repeating the same thing again and again and again. So we can easily go take the 50 user in 3 months to maybe 200, 300 and so on, if we follow the right kind of strategy, considering how low volume, low competition keyword we are working on. And that's it. Thank you.